Today I'm unboxing my Crocs Salehe Bembury. Got them from Superkicks, and this is how the packaging looks like. They ship via Blue Dart. I think that's for all states within India. And I got the Tide color. This is how they look. The packaging is decent enough and the product was intact. There were no damages. They do look quite good, but people would have mixed opinions for this color. Especially this color is available more compared to the rest, because usually the rest are usually sold out. This is how they look worn. Don't mind the tag, just in case I change my mind. They're pretty okay. These are one size less. I got the M10. I usually order the M11, and in spite of doing that, I still feel they look a little big on my feet. I got them for about 7,700 on Superkicks. That's a 250 more for the delivery via Blue Dart. I feel the prices on Superkicks are much less compared to the other sites, if you see, and these are very hard to find. Yes, and that's all I have. Thank you.